It is 8 a.m. and it's 30-something degrees out here. Getting coffee right now, getting some breakfast. And we're going to the palace today. It's really fun. We just finished taking a bunch of pictures. I think we look really good. A lot of people were taking pictures of us too.
Strangers.
Because we were dressed up like this. We're about to go get some lunch. I think we need some soup because it's actually really cold out. We are going to return our hanboks now. We've been out for a couple hours. We gotta return it and then we're gonna go get lunch. I'm packing all the stuff. We're heading to Hong Kong tomorrow, and this is all the stuff that we bought here in Korea. As you can see, we have a bunch of snacks and about 30 to 40 face masks here. So it's gonna be a little bit tight, but I think this will do. Juice, you just had soda. How was your time in Seoul?
It was good. It's really clean, and their architecture is very
nice.
unique. We're about to go to Hong Kong.
Yes,
we're not going home yet.
We're not going home yet. We're going to Hong Kong. We're gonna be there for the next week, like 5 days. Yeah. So it'll be a fun adventure. More videos to come.